Hello everybody and welcome back to day 12 of my S-Type project. I was already busy today and did a little cleanup on the engine, especially to prevent trickling dirt into the combustion chambers. In between I also applied WD-40 onto the EGR valve assembly and the towing hook, and will now try to get these parts loose. This was quite easy now, and both bolts were in here upside down, so when I tried to release the second one some time ago, it can be simply turned into the wrong direction. If you have a similar problem, that's maybe something to think about. I'm now gonna remove this hose from the back of the water pump assembly. I released the bracket a little bit, but didn't fully detach the hose. If I had done this, this would have resulted in a big mess, because the engine block is still filled with coolant that has to be removed before. I don't think there's a drain plug anywhere, so I use such a hand pump I purchased online. In the next step, I'm gonna disconnect these two wires that lead to sensors on the left and right hand bank of the engine block. Obviously, these were the two NOx sensors. To get the wire with the sensor itself disconnected, you need a 13mm hex socket, and removing this insert from the block requires an E7 socket. That's some kind of a negative Torx bit. To detach the engine accessories here at the front, especially the alternator that interferes with parts of the car's body here on the side, I first have to take down the accessory belt, which requires to release the belt tensioner first. This tensioner is spring-loaded, so I simply have to insert a breaker bar with a square-headed stud. The size has to be 3/8 of an inch here. Turn it towards the left side, and at the same time take down the belt with my other hand. And finally, getting out the belt behind the belt tensioner requires detaching the belt tensioner itself. That's it already for today. To keep updated on my project, consider subscribing. See you back next time. Goodbye.